Here at MedTech One, we have developed a course focused on supporting the journey of medical technology translation for early career researchers. Our course equips you with the essential knowledge needed to implement and manage quality management systems for medical devices. You'll start with an introduction to quality management systems, followed by 5 concise chapters on key regulations, standards, and risk management strategies. A QMS is vital to navigating the complex world of regulatory frameworks and helping to drive innovation safely and effectively. Designed by experts at Imperial College, we bridge the gap between theory and practice to help you build a high-quality QMS aligned with top international standards. Whether you're new to a QMS or building on existing knowledge, this course makes medtech compliance clear and accessible. We've developed the course using a digital AI avatar,
Hello, I'm Paige and I'll be your virtual instructor.
allowing MedTech One to deliver expert industry knowledge through an engaging and impactful learning experience. The result is a clear, dynamic course that makes complex topics accessible, no matter your learning style. Each chapter includes a short quiz to help reinforce your learning.
MedTech One supports early career researchers in advancing medical technologies from early research into real-world application for providing training, IP guidance, clinical trial support, and commercialization expertise. We're super excited to help you take the next step in your medtech innovation journey. Ready to begin? For enrollment queries and access information, use the Contact Us page. Thank you.